Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Keval Vijay, and today I'm going to teach you lecture number 77 of MS Excel. Today we will talk about four formulas. These are small functions that will definitely come in handy for you at some point. To begin our lesson today, we are going to talk in detail about the specific process of converting standard Arabic numbers into Roman numerals here. And then, in the second part of this tutorial, there will be several situations where we have numbers already written in Roman numerals, and we will need to translate those symbols back into their original numerical form. So, we are going to learn about these two functions, and in addition, there are two more functions related to dates that we will cover. As always, before starting the lecture, I would like to say that if you learn something new from today's video, don't forget to like and share it. So let's start today's lecture. First of all, we'll talk about how to convert numbers. For example, I have some numbers here and I want to convert them into Roman numerals. For this, we use a small function. Type equals and then type Roman. As soon as you type Roman here, you need to use this type. This formula gets added here. Now after this, click on the cell that contains the numbers you want to convert. For example, I have this cell here. You will close the bracket and press enter. See, now I have it here in Roman numerals. Now, as we drag it, the numbers that appear in front of each cell are shown here in Roman numerals. I have copied and pasted these same numbers here. So regarding copy and paste, here I have used paste special. If I just copy it normally, it won't work here. So I will copy it, click here, and then use paste special so that the formula gets converted into values. Now after that, understand that these are values we have, and we want to convert these numbers which are written in Roman numerals into number format. So we have learned the Roman function, and now we will learn about the Arabic function. So we will type equals to. You have to type Arabic, use the tab key, click here, then close the bracket and press enter. See, 1 is appearing in front of 1. As we drag, you can see that the formula has been applied. Now see, the same numbering is being shown here as well. This means that the formula is working properly. So in this way, by using Roman and Arabic, you can convert numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to numbers. And the second function we will talk about here is days. For example, suppose I have a date written here, and after that, if I add some days to it, what will the next date be? That is, suppose it is October 1st, 2021. If I add 8 days, 10 days, or 15 days to it, then what will the date be after 15 days? So for this, what we have to do is write the data here like this, equals to, and then after that, you have to click on the date here. You have to add it here, click on add, and when you press enter, the next date that we get will be this one. And here, as we drag, you can see it's being dragged here as well. If we write 25 days here, you can see the date changes automatically. Suppose I type 150 days here, you can see the date changes automatically. After that, we'll learn another function. If we apply today's formula here, like I write today, open bracket, close bracket, and press enter, then we get today's date. Now we want to know what yesterday's date was. So for that, what will we do here? How do we find out what the date was 5 days ago? So by typing equals, you have to click here and then you'll type the rest of the formula. We write today, open bracket, close bracket, and then subtract here. What do we want to subtract here? We want to subtract 1 day and then we press enter. So the date we had for 1 day earlier was this one. Now what will be the date 1 day later? What will we do for that? Here we'll apply the formula today, then open bracket, close bracket, and add 1 to it. If you want to see the date after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, or 5 days, then you just type the number here, and as soon as you press enter, you'll get the date for 1 day later here. Now, if you want to see what the date will be after 7 days, 10 days, or 15 days, then this will be the date you get. So in this way, we can display the previous date and the next date here according to the current date. That was my lecture for today, in which I taught you about date functions. And along with that, I also showed you how to convert numbers to Roman numerals and Roman numerals to numbers. So I hope you definitely learned something new from today's lecture. If you liked the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. We'll meet in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.